Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Thank you very much for joining me. Our patient is this beautiful laptop, which is password locked, right? The BIOS is locked. Other than that, there's nothing else wrong with this one. And it is actually, it's got 8 gigs of RAM, but only one slot is populated as per what I see over here. DIMM A has 8 gigs and DIMM B is empty slot. So we can put 16 gigs of RAM over here, if I would expect. Now this is an i7 10th generation. It's very nice computer. It looks very much beat up. It is. It looks awful. Sure. Yeah, not great. All right, we could replace the whole case. There's even a privacy. Yeah, that's so cool. There's a privacy switch over here that blocks the camera. Very nice touch. Let's turn it off. And what we have to do, so obviously we have to open it. We have to remove the BIOS chip. We have to read the BIOS chip. Then the contents of the BIOS chip we're gonna send to Lead Farmer. He's a BIOS expert specializing in password removals and all that stuff. I could probably do it myself, but why would I if we have Lead Farmer? He does it better, he does it quicker, and he's more confident doing that. I do that for Surface Pros 4s and 5s and 7s, but I have a procedure that I use. He uses much more sophisticated methods of actually sometimes just editing files in hex editor and just finding the offset and just filling the offset and that kind of stuff. I don't really have time to learn all that, but eventually I will. No worries, because he keeps pushing that knowledge onto me and I just keep rejecting that knowledge because I have so much other stuff that I have to learn and compute in my head. I just don't have time to learn new things if I don't need to, and I prefer to share the profit with someone else if they can perform stuff for me. And Lead Farmer is very reliable, so I really don't need to do it myself. Now I bought this one off eBay, so this is gonna be the laptop that I will either I'll see, maybe I will use it. It is possible because my other Dell that I've been using for a while, it's giving me a lot of issues, and it is pretty old, much older. There's like 4th or 5th generation of i5 on it, 8 gigs of RAM and SSD drive inside, but it's giving me a lot of problems. This one is lighter. The battery is internal, which I don't necessarily like on my other Dell that I use mainly for coding. It has removable battery in the back, so the replacement of the battery, and it's oversized battery, so the replacement just takes a few seconds literally. On this one it takes a little longer, and I do require that my work computer, my coding computer, is small, is relatively light, and the battery lasts, well, at least 3 hours. I need it to last at least 3 hours. If it's below 3 hours, it's much less usable to me. It uses the same charger, so that's good because I received it without the charger. There's some blemishes on the screen, but it's fine. The keyboard, oh, it's not bad. It's not awesome, but it's not bad. As long as the touchpad works fine, it should be good. There's also a joystick, which I never use, but sometimes it could be useful. All right, let's get it opened. Let's dump the BIOS, send it to Lead Farmer, and let's get this computer working again. without the BIOS password. If you need your device unlocked, this is obviously the device that came that was basically recycled from some company, right? Some enterprise used it, and they always put the passwords on. I got the certificate of clearing the SSD, so it's not recoverable. What they do, they fill every byte with FF, then every byte with 00, then every byte with a random value, and then they verify. So that ensures that no data can be recovered from it. That's the requirement if you want to refurbish the device that you acquired from like some company or maybe government agency or something like that. Since a lot of people got fired in recent weeks and months, we have a lot of these on flooding the market because that's how you recover the money. Although recently a friend of mine from work said that when he got laid off from the company, and like few thousand people got laid off along with him, they all could keep the laptops. And I was thinking that or we were thinking, why would they? Because it's like a $5,000 machine. It's like this high-end MacBooks. But we were thinking that it's probably just cost them more to recover them and then do something with them. And if they just write them off, you can keep maybe they do the remote wipe and keep the laptop. Maybe that's easier for them, maybe cheaper. Who knows? But there's a lot of these, so if you wanna get yourself a nice cheap laptop, get one of these with locked BIOS and we can unlock the BIOS for you. Alrighty, let's get to it.
got a regular job, so I only fix when I have to.
I'm about to get another. I'm about to get decent looking solder cabinet. I'm gonna do it. It's $30 off too, and
All right, I'm
it's
gonna.
like a dual. It's a dual station.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna finish the video. The recording is on,
All right.
so you guys are gonna be in this video.
Hey.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we're done with this one. Thanks to Lead Farmer, we got it working. So after you reflash the BIOS on these, it turns out you enter manufacturing mode, and you have to input the service tag. I didn't know that, and Lead Farmer helped me find the service tag. It's actually over here at the bottom, ST. So that's what you have to enter, and you can enter it only once apparently.
And then save and exit, and then exit manufacturing mode with Alt and F key.
Yeah, Alt F. Yeah, I didn't actually
Twice.
see that on
You
the.
gotta do it twice actually. Twice.
Right.
Alt F, Alt F.
Yeah, and that did the trick. So if you do it when you restart it and the fan goes to 100% and your CPU is overheating, that's what it is. It's in service mode. Or manufacturer whatever mode. But there you go. It's done. Enjoy. Well, we'll see what we're gonna do with this one because I need the battery in mine, and this one doesn't come with the battery, but it looks like this is Windows 11, I think. It looks like Windows 11, so which is great because it's i7 10th generation. It's really good CPU. It's an old clunky laptop, but what was that?
I got the same one from my in-law like 2 months ago for 100 some, not far from here.
Oh, I bought this one for 99 with locked BIOS.
Nice. But I had battery and everything, power cord.
Oh,
and I won your warranty. And I won your warranty.
Oh, okay. Well, I got this one without the power cord, without the battery. Apparently, I didn't know that. I don't know if this was stated in the listing that it had no battery. Let's see. Does it say anything here? BIOS password yes. Model. It actually doesn't say. It says everything except the battery. That's weird. They don't care about the battery.
They gotcha.
They got me.
They save with less battery.
Plus you have to declare when you're sending something with a lithium battery in it, you have to declare it on the label, and the shipping is more expensive because it's not only the weight. And they won't accept it on the planes. Like FedEx is not gonna. I get stuff from China, the Union Repair, right? And I ordered a few batteries like a few months back, and they gave me a refund and said that no, the FedEx is not gonna touch that. No
DHL,
batteries.
right?
Oh, was it DHL actually, not FedEx? Well, whichever. Whatever they use only one carrier. So no batteries from China. Alrighty, that will do. The laptop is ready to be worked on as soon as we install the battery. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you. Say hi to Lead Farmer and Dave. Say hi, guys.
Hey, what's next? Are you gonna do any other BIOS coming up?
I got PlayStation 5 to do. So I don't really like doing that because the majority of work is just opening removing the board, removing those 65 screws on it, and
27 to be exact.
right. Alrighty.
That's why you guys have a good one. I'm actually at work any minute now. It's gonna ring, and I have to answer questions.
Oh,
See ya.
all right. See you guys, and I see you guys in the next one.